Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, let us also try Sibongile and the Dlaminis, right? Usibongile now decided to join a group Yamachichi. Remember ukuthi girl, or if you have not been watching, girl saw Amachichi at Denza a university, and she then decided to go to this group that she wanted to join, right? However, her friend or slash roommate is not happy with that because Ugo is so negative about the whole thing. And I think this whole her joining the Gigi group will be the one that is dismantling their friendship in one way or the other. But Ugo was warm welcomed, was wanikwa ubuhlala, kwaze kwacula ingoma zakhona. Like they sang all the beautiful songs, all the cultural songs, just to accept her and show her Guti, these are the marching orders. They also told her Guti, this is when we practice, this is when we gather, and. So basically, Usbongile sekane hobby. Yes, Usbongile has a hobby that she has found. Sha. Usbongile goes into her room, le aisherayo nomngani wakhe. Makafika, she can't find her book and she needs to study. Ugo is so frustrated now and is asking the girl. But the girl has changed. Why do I have a feeling Uzama might end up with Ugwenzo, guys? I don't know. And she calls Ugwenzo, trying to debrief and everything. But you could see with Ugwenzo and herself, because they are now finalizing the divorce. Okay, what I can't talk right now. Also, conversation gasbongile inokubhora okhuluma ngezinto eziphethe. Well, Ukwenzo has more bigger problems that he should be dealing with. But yeah, maybe it is the type of woman that he chose, but I don't see their relationship lasting. I see Ukwenzo nje abhizi nozama njengoba sekusawa. Is a new character that was introduced as Umngani kaKwenzo. As Ukwenzo was done with the lawyer, that friend came in and they had a discussion. They talked about their marriages and the issue of Sibongile being a V-dot was also discussed and say, sidala uyinyoni wenzani. Will this give Ukwenzo pressure to open the cherry box, to open the gift box, or will he wait for the D-Day? Uma Mavis uzimisele ugirl nge-competition ye-chakalaka. The competition ye-chakalaka is going to give them a car. Ugirl decided to join, so it did Nomfundo. Now I'm asking myself, who's going to win between the two of them? And should one of them win, will it not temper with their relationship? Will it not disturb their friendship? But they are in competition. Bayamncedisa ama-colleagues ukuthi benze sure ukuthi upheka zona, and they are working together as a team. However, she's definitely not showing them the family secret that is making the chakalaka taste extra good. Avakashele ubani unomfundo kudliwe amaskonsi kube mnandi. In their conversation, yazi uthi maniphuza itizi indaba ziyaphuma musi. In their conversation yamaskonsi netiya kuphume indaba yokuthi phela uMavis naye uyijoinile competition. That's how uMavis waba yiphiciphici musi. uMavis bekalana siphuza nami itiya mara ugirl uyazi ukuthi ngijoin competition but yena akasho kwenzakalani wayenza into eso. Hayi uMavis vele aye afoni lo nomfundo makaqeda afike unomfundo ke amconfront. Hayi kube into ebaxabanisayo nje bathi sizolinda ijudge sibone ukuthi who is the best chakalaka maker. May the best girl win in terms of chakalaka making. In conclusion, kube indaba kabani, kube indaba kaPhetheni. uPhetheni is livid. Uglory realized ukuthi uSamke umshaye ngendiva. uSamke ulo akusizi umshaye ngendiva. Sizulu saka sinalo tekateka shem. But ugirl realized ukuthi uPhetheni khona izinto azenzayo, uSamke khona izinto azenzayo ezingekho right, hence bringing ulo mama lo, understanding ukuthi bekunjani. Waze waphatheka kabi wathi uzenza umngani wami kanti she knows ukuthi what exactly is she planning to do. Aphumele ngaphandle ke she disappointed and all, and then indoda yakhe ihambe naye. I was so happy that Unjengaye knows the history. Unjengaye tried to control the situation, debrief and all, but ke ugirl is not happy. The relationship between yena no Samke, it seems like it is opela. And then the kids went and said, Mama, it's better if you go your rester and then you will take on this the following day. But uhambile umama kaLokhunja kaPhetheni wayodelela enza izinto ezimelanga zenzeke. Will this relationship ever be fixed? And if it is fixed, what exactly did this woman do to uPhetheni engaka? Yo, please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.